Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you all are doing well. So I'm back with another protective hairstyle for you guys. So I'm going to be doing half crochet braid and half feed in braids. Okay, so with that said, let's go straight into the video. So I started by dividing my hair into two, so separating the back section from the front section. So okay, so right now I'm going ahead to start the braid for the braid pattern. So I want to be able to put the hair into a high ponytail or puff or low ponytail. So I want to be able to style it however I want without any interruption. So the braid pattern plays a big role when it comes to the way you're going to style your hair. So for the middle part of this braid pattern, I'm going to be doing the zigzag method. You guys know I love using zigzag braid when it comes to crochet braid. So this is it right here. Look at this. With this, I can put the hair into a ponytail, high puff, however I want to style it. I can style it however I want. Okay, so moving on to the hair, you're gonna need coily braiding hair and straight braiding hair. So you can get your braiding hair, your coily braiding hair from your local beauty supply store, or you can get them online. So for me, I coiled the hair myself. I used expression braiding hair, one pack of expression braiding hair, and using the hot water method. I actually have a video showing you guys how to coil the braiding hair. The link will be in the description box down below, so you can watch that video and see how you can make your own hair with your own coily hair, using expression braiding hair. Okay, so today I'm using the single knot crochet method. So I'm using the invisible knot method. So as you can see right here, I pass the crochet hook through the base of my braid. So next I hook the hair. Okay, so next pull it through using the crochet hook. I hook half of the hair and then pull it through the loop. So after that, I pull on both ends to secure the knot in place. So when you pull on it, you can actually pull it so that way the knotted part will be under the braid. So when you flip it over, it will give you the invisible look on both sides of the braid. Again, pass the crochet hook through the base of your braid. So next, hook the hair, pull it through. Using the crochet hook, hook half of the hair and pull it through the loop. So next, pull on both ends to secure the knot in place. So here you go. I'm done with the perimeter. So now I'm using the same method on the rest of the hair, which is the zigzag braid pattern. I'm using the same method using the single knot crochet. Okay, so I'm done with the crochet braid. This is how the hair is looking. Look at the volume. Beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to be working on the front. But first, I started by separating the hair into three equal section or equal amounts. So I'm going to be working on this side of the hair first. So for the curly hair, I cut it in half because I'm going to be adding it to the braid. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the feed in braid. Okay, so I'm going in with the braiding gel. I'm going to be applying that on the roots of the hair to help smooth the hair and tame the little hairs in place. So right now I'm going ahead to make a little section. So I just twist the hair out of the way. So it will give me like a brush back kind of look once I'm done braiding the hair. I just make a section, twist it, making sure the root is a bit firm, and just twist it out of the way, just like that. Okay, so to do the feeding braids, I'm going to be starting with my own natural hair first. Then next, I'm going to be adding the braiding hair extension. So I'm going to start with a tiny piece of the braiding hair, and next I'm going to increase the amount of hair I add to the braid as I braid along. So you just add the hair as you braid along. Okay, so real quick, let's take a quick break to give the video a big thumbs up. Just hit the like button right now, okay? So that will let you to know that you like the video, and it will help to push it out to people that are looking for protective hairstyle that they can do by themselves, okay? And also hit the like button, sorry, the subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Thank you. All right, so right now I'm going in to add in the coily hair, and I'm going to continue braiding. So I just add the hair, the coily hair, clip it out of the way, and continue braiding. So I braid a little bit past where my natural hair ends. So I braid a little bit, about 2 inches away from where my natural hair ends. That way it won't, my hair won't get in the hot water once I dip the ends of the braid in the water. So you have to protect your hair. Okay, you need to make sure to braid a little bit away, a little bit away from where your natural hair, and you can make it 2 inches, 3 inches. You just want to make sure that when you dip the ends of the braid in hot water, your hair will be among the part that is being dipped into the hot water. Okay. All right. So now I'm going ahead to make the section or the design for the middle part. So I'm doing a unique braid design for the middle part of the hair. So doing the same thing, I'm starting with my own natural hair first, and next I'm going to be adding the braiding hair extension. Doing the same thing, I'm going to be increasing the amount of hair I add to the braid as I braid along. All right, I'm almost done. I'm just going ahead to work on the remaining um, session right here. Look at the design though. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, so I'm done doing the feeding braids. So the next step now is to coil the ends of the braid. So just make sure to push the coily hairs out of the way. So next, take your flexi rod and wrap the hair around the flexi rod. Want to make sure to bend the end of the flexi rod in just like this to help secure the hair in place. After that, you need to dip the ends of the braid in hot water to coil them. So once you remove them from the hot water, you need to take your towel and squeeze out the excess water before going in to unravel the coils. Okay, just like that, and just separated the hair. So for the next step, I'm going in with my water bottle and I'm spraying in a little bit of water to help detangle the hair and to really define the coils. So also I'm going in with a hair cream and I'm applying that on the hair. So next I'm going to do a quick trim on the ends of it. It's just like that and it's all done. Beautiful. All right, guys. So this is the final result right here. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at this braid design. I love it. All right, guys. So we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. And I'll see you all in my next video.